My dear friends, welcome to this celebration this afternoon. Rafael and Vinci.
I, Vinci, take you, Rafael, be my husband. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Rafael, take you, Vinci, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life. Vinci, take this ring
Rafael, take this ring
as a sign of my love and fidelity,
in the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
and of the Holy Spirit.
I've known Vinci for about 7 years now, and she has been an amazing addition to our family. Over the years, she's honestly become like a sister to me. All jokes aside, it has been great seeing Vinci bring out this other side of Rafi. It seems to me that every time he looks at her, his eyes light up and you can truly see that she is the only person who really makes him happier than I've ever seen him.
I've known Vinci for about 29 years, 3 months, and 18 hours. Naturally, we fought a lot through physical and mental warfare, but through it all, we grew up side by side our whole life. That now I have someone who just gets it, someone who through every high and low of life, I have her with me. Vinci, I'm so proud of you, and Raf, you're stuck with me now too. I get to be your big sister, but I'll always have your back. I love you guys.
Rafi has been by my side for 28 years. He's been through there with me, through it all. And Vinci has been in the family now for 8 years, and I've considered her part of the family and a sister to me. You guys deserve everything in this world. I pray for all the happiness, all the love that God can give you guys, that you guys can give to each other.